The 2011 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power driver's seat, remote engine start, power passenger seat, running boards, dual airbags, driver airbag, front air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.